At Formlabs, we create tools that help people bring their ideas to life. This is why we've developed the Form 1 Plus, the first high-resolution 3D printer designed to fit right on your desktop. You'll begin with Preform, software that prepares your model for printing. Then, choose from our library of resins, engineered for a range of functions from prototyping to investment casting. To start your print, simply push the button. Watch as a high-powered laser transforms liquid resin into a solid object. Once the print is complete, use our finish kit to rinse and remove the support structures. The process is simple, the results professional. At Formlabs, we create tools for people who create the future.
Welcome to Monoprice. My name is Tyler, and today I will be showing you the latest version of our best-selling 3D printer, the Monoprice Select Mini Pro. From its previous model, there have been a number of changes, a number of improvements that have helped to assist you in your overall experience with this unit. One of which is a removable heat bed to help make replacing the build surface and removing your projects much easier. Other features would include a new heated bed which routes the ribbon cables from its own separate heating plate away from any of the moving parts, an LCD touchscreen to help eliminate the need for a control knob, an all-aluminum body making it ultra lightweight, easy to move, and better looking, as well as an inductive sensor to help with auto bed leveling. Furthermore, the printer is now featuring the ability to adjust the Z height on the fly. So, if you're in the middle of a print, you will be able to adjust the height of the nozzle if you feel that it is offset a bit too high or too low in the middle of the print. Out of the box, the unit is ready to print. You will just want to run the new auto leveling function first to do so. Plug in the unit and navigate to the Move menu where you will have all of the axis move functions. In the Z-axis menu, there is a center sub-menu to access the auto bed leveling settings. This will display the currently set Z-axis offset, which out of the box should not need to be modified. At the bottom of the menu will have a button to initiate auto bed leveling, and the unit will be checking all four corners using the inductive sensors to calculate the distance between the nozzle and the bed. It then stores the information in the bed memory. Congratulations, you're ready to print. We hope you enjoy the printer. I'm Tyler with Monoprice, and I thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out monoprice.com for more 3D printing products and support if you do need it.
Hi there, Ben Malouf here to introduce the LulzBot Mini 2 3D printer. Our engineering teams have been hard at work here in Colorado, and I'm excited to go over all the upgrades that make the LulzBot Mini 2 our best printing, easiest to use, and most reliable 3D printer ever. Now, if you're already a fan of the LulzBot Mini, you'll be happy to know that everything you love is still here. Legendary LulzBot versatility, reliability, and ease of use, the rugged powder-coated aluminum frame, and of course the carry handle. But while it may look very similar on first glance, there's a ton of new innovation to talk about here, so let's get into the features. The first obvious feature change is the LCD screen. This means the LulzBot Mini 2 is tetherless out of the box with no need to be connected to a computer to operate the machine. Just put your G-code onto the included SD card, pop it in the printer, and select your file from the LCD menu. Next up, let's talk about the re-engineered and innovative belt drive Z-axis. The benefits? First of all, speed, which really makes a difference when starting a new print or making manual axis adjustments. But the big benefit of the belt drive is in print quality. No lead screws, no potential for Z-banding. The next two obvious changes are the tool head and the print bed. The Mini 2's Aero Extruder V2 tool head is powered by a genuine E3D Titan Aero extruder and hot end, and features a powerful part cooling fan with 4-way ducting. This gives you acclaimed E3D hot end quality and extrusion accuracy, and allows you to print both rigid materials and flexibles up to 290 degrees Celsius. The heated bed is capable to 120 degrees Celsius and features a reversible borosilicate glass and PEI print surface, which simplifies maintenance and makes it easy to experiment with different substrates. Another thing you may have noticed is the noise, or lack thereof. Thanks to the Trinamic TMC 2130 stepper drivers on the INC Retro control board, the Mini 2's motors run much quieter than on any printer we've ever built before, which makes it a great addition to classrooms, libraries, and offices. Like all LulzBot 3D printers, the Mini 2 is built here in Loveland, Colorado, and comes with a 1-year warranty and our renowned technical support. Extended warranties are also available. Just ask a LulzBot sales associate for details. We're extremely proud of the LulzBot Mini 2, and we know it'll make a valuable addition to your shop, office, or classroom. If you want more great LulzBot content, please make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
The LulzBot Taz is a versatile, high-performance desktop 3D printer for industrial users that respects your freedom to create. The LCD control panel and SD card reader offer 3D printing without being connected to a computer. The heated borosilicate glass bed with PEI print surface keeps your prints adhered to the bed while printing and releases them cleanly when cooled. With one of the largest build volumes of any desktop 3D printer, the Taz 5 offers room to bring your big ideas to life. The all-metal hot end, capable to 300 degrees Celsius, enables printing in a wide range of materials, including HIPS, PLA, ABS, nylon, polycarbonate, polyester, and more. With all these great features, award-winning quality, and excellent customer support, it's no wonder the LulzBot Taz 5 won Best Overall in Make Magazine's 2016 Ultimate Desktop Fabrication issue, and is a Tom's Guide Editor's Choice as Best Enthusiast Printer.
You dream of creating the future with ease, but with passion, with endless possibilities, but simply with joy. Today, for that future to happen, you need a tool, a device capable of turning an idea into an object. Hardware available on the market is either expensive or impossible to be used efficiently. Today, we need to change this. For almost 2 years now, we have been working to connect hardware, software, and building material into one product. A system for creating the future of your ideas quickly, easily, and with minimal material costs. This is how Zortrax M200 prototyping printer was born. What is Zortrax M200? It's the hardware. Slick aluminum design that just works. It really ties your office space together. It just fits the room. Solid, stable aluminum printer frame, guaranteeing high precision printing. Printer head specially designed for ABS material. Innovative, state-of-the-art high precision ABS dosing mechanism. It's the software. Designed for Zortrax M200, innovative hardware, allowing you to easily crop and print your model, generating easy-to-remove support for your model. Just plug and print. It's the material, popular high-quality ABS material, widely used in mass production. Lets you create ready-to-use objects with low printing costs. Durable printing plastic turns your projects into usable 3D prints, leaving traditionally printed resin toys for someone else. Just print and use. Zortrax M200. It's the printer. Design, print, and use your design right away. It's easy. It's not expensive. It's cost-effective. It's for you. You can literally have everything. Every single object can look, feel, and work exactly as you wish. Simply import your project to Zortrax Suite and create a printing template. Save your project to a memory card. Put the card into Zortrax M200. Watch your object being created layer by layer. Use your print right away. Do you need a high-quality, reliable tool to make your project come true? Are you tired of popular printers that look like car engines? You had enough of the cost-generating yet cheap-looking printing materials? We need your support to start high-quality parts manufacturing, including molded parts. Back us up and change the game. Design your future with Zortrax.
I'm Bree Pettis, CEO of MakerBot, and today it is my distinct pleasure to present to you the latest addition to the MakerBot 3D ecosystem. The new MakerBot Replicator desktop 3D printer is 5th generation technology that's setting the standard in reliability, quality, and connectivity. It's our fastest and easiest to use printer yet. It's powered by the intuitive and easy to use MakerBot 3D platform. Software and firmware designed to work seamlessly together. The MakerBot Replicator is cloud and app enabled. That means you can connect to it however you want, phone, a tablet, or your desktop computer. Let's talk about some of the features of the desktop 3D printer. First up, the MakerBot Smart Extruder. It's got a brain, so it can alert you when it needs you to swap out and put in more filament. It sends you a message and allows you to continue making a model, whereas before you would have had to just start all over. Another amazing feature is the 3.5-inch full-color LCD display. The user interface for this display is this knob, and we modeled this knob on high-end stereo systems. You're going to be able to use this display to access your entire model library and choose what you want to make. 100-micron layer resolution means that you can make things that just look amazing and blow people's minds. You also have the freedom to choose between a fast draft or a very high-quality, high-resolution model. The MakerBot Replicator build volume is 456 cubic inches. One of the things that the onboard camera allows you to do is remote monitoring. That means you can go pour yourself a cup of tea, and while you're doing it, check the status of your 3D model. It also is a very powerful tool for sharing. The machine can snap a picture for you, and that makes it easy for you to share your model on Thingiverse and other social networks. We've upgraded the gantry on this machine into a configuration that's in the shape of the letter H. We've also sprinkled some sugar on the motion control system so that it goes faster and smoother. We've taken the guesswork out of leveling your build platform with the assisted leveling procedure. The machine helps you do the leveling process, which means you get to printing faster, easier, and with less stress than ever before. It's powerful enough for professionals and affordable enough for everyone. We can't wait to see what you'll make.
Introducing the Ultimaker S5 Pro Bundle. A combination of products that together solve your every material handling concern. At its core is our market-leading high build volume 3D printer, the Ultimaker S5. This stands securely on the material station, the first of its kind in the world. A humidity-controlled enclosure enables continuous single or dual extrusion, housing up to 4.5 kilograms of any filament, including glass or carbon fiber composites. The Ultimaker S5 Air Manager fully encloses the build chamber. Its high-efficiency filter and multi-speed fan create an inside-out airflow that removes up to 95% of ultrafine particles, giving you the freedom to print with an extended range of materials with complete peace of mind. Each of these on their own are remarkable devices, but stack them together and something special happens. They unlock the flexibility for more applications. With true 24/7 capacity, seamless integration, and zero hassle, completing our vision of the ultimate office 3D printing experience. Let the Ultimaker S5 Pro Bundle take care of 100% of your 3D printing concerns, so you can stay 100% focused on doing your best work.
Hi, this is Ryan from MakerGear, and I'm going to show you how to unbox your MakerGear M2. When you open your box, the first thing you're going to see is this 11x17 Getting Started Guide. Today we're going to cover step 1, which is getting your printer out of the box. First, remove the central block of foam by pulling straight up. This is the extruder. Move it to the center, carefully. It should slide easily. Now, grab the foam by the 2 large blocks and pull straight up. Next, slide the extruder over to get it out of the way. And then we're going to push the mounting plate with this foam block forward. You'll have to push the foam block from behind. At this point, the foam block is ready to come out. Now, slide the mounting plate back to its central position. This rectangular piece is called the Heated Build Platform, or HBP. We're going to carefully pull it out of its slot and slide it onto the mounting plate. The corners will fit snugly. The printer is now ready to come out of the box, but first let's move the extruder to the middle. Now we're going to grab the printer by both sides. This part's easier with a second set of hands. The foam block will probably come out with the printer, and that's not a problem. Getting the printer out of the foam can be tricky. Having an extra set of hands again would be helpful in this case. Regardless, never grab the printer by the top, always grab the printer by the sides. If you're doing this alone, grab the printer by the left side and lift up until you see the rubber feet. Now the printer is basically free to come out and you can set it down on the table. We call this the Z-axis knob. We use it to manually raise and lower the HBP. Right now we're turning it clockwise so we can pull the foam block out from beneath the HBP. This is your borosilicate glass build plate. It has a golden film on it. This golden film is a polyimide material and your printer will print directly onto this film. I'm lowering the bed right now so that I can remove the stop sheet beneath it. Please open and read this document as it contains important information. And now you're ready to move on to step 2 of your Getting Started guide. And as always, please read your user manual as it contains a wealth of useful information.